Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the ultimate comfort food, a creamy, dreamy, and absolutely delicious gratin that's going to warm you up from the inside out. It's packed with flavor, and trust me, it's easier to make than it looks. Ready to get cozy? Let's get started. First up, our star vegetable, fresh broccoli. We're going to boil these florets until they're perfectly tender and have that beautiful, vibrant green color. Once they're done, just scoop them out and set them aside. They'll continue to steam gently while we get everything else ready. Simple, right? Next, let's talk potatoes. Grab 4 medium-sized potatoes and slice them nice and thin. This is key for getting those perfect layers. We'll season them with a little salt, a dash of paprika for some smoky warmth, and my secret ingredient, just a tiny pinch of nutmeg. It really elevates the flavor. Give them a quick boil for about 3 minutes. We're not cooking them through, just softening them up so they bake beautifully later on. Now for the aromatic base. In a pan, heat up a mix of olive oil and a little bit of butter for that rich flavor. Add some thinly sliced leek and let it soften slowly until your whole kitchen smells amazing. Then, it's time for the mushrooms. Toss them in, seasoned with salt, black pepper, and some dried garlic. Cook them until they're golden brown and have released all their wonderful earthy flavor. The smell is just incredible. While that's cooking, let's make our creamy sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1 egg with some Greek yogurt and a splash of cream. This combination creates a sauce that's smooth, silky, and just perfect for baking. It's tangy rich, and it's going to bind everything together in the most wonderful way. Okay, it's assembly time. Butter your baking dish generously. We're going to build this dish in layers. Start with a layer of your thinly sliced potatoes at the bottom. Then add a layer of those savory mushrooms, followed by our bright green broccoli. Pour a little bit of that creamy yogurt mixture over the top. Then repeat the layers until you've used everything up. For the final touch, the best part, cheese. Sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite cheese over the top. Today, I'm using a mix of cheddar and Parmesan. Now it's ready for the oven. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius, or 350 Fahrenheit, for about 40 to 45 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown top and bubbling cheesy goodness all around the edges. Once it's out of the oven, let it rest for a few minutes. This is important, so it can set up properly. Then, all that's left to do is slice into it and enjoy. Look at those layers. It's just proof that simple ingredients can come together to create the coziest, most satisfying meals. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you in the next video.